when you said our styles were a little different.
Yeah.
Our styles were a little different at work also.
Yes.
You were meticulous about the process.
Yeah.
I was ridiculous about the process. And yet, we worked like magic together.
In your honor, today I'm wearing my cricket whites and I've got my cricket hat.
I also had that on.
Gloves.
I also had that on.
Huh.
But Goa is raining, so my match got washed out. So I've got my chhatri. See, Bhattu, ours was a fantastic relationship of two people 6 years apart in age. And but with such a lot of mutual respect, which we didn't have to express by being nice to each other. We just batted as if it's a duty to bat. It was a joy. And whether it was in the office, you would recall that you, me and Sanjeev Lama got promoted the same day.
Yes.
You would recall that we were unfortunately or fortunately put right next to Maniyar's office. Yes. The noisy guys next to the headmaster.
Yes.
And so at work, we didn't give a damn. We worked like dogs, but didn't give a damn about usne ye bola, isne ye bola. And on the cricket field, we played as if the field belonged to us.
Yes.
When we batted together, chasing bloody 225, we finished in 25 overs. With both of us getting 100. Yes. I remember it was against Thompson.
Yes.
They were first had plans to how to get them out.
Yeah.
Then they changed it to how to try and contain them.
Yes.
And then they said, what time will they finish the bloody game?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So that never say die, that daredevil spirit.
Yes.
I think that's why we got along, and we never had to have a discussion.
Yeah.
Isko kaise khelenge?
Yes.
Chalo khelte hain. And that's where these 38 years have lasted. The mutual respect actually sounds like a heavy word for the relationship.
Yeah.
It was more of a partnership.
Yes. Yes.
And every partnership has some mutual respect, which doesn't have to be expressed all the time.
Yes.
So that's what we had. We had that respect and that affection in our eyes, in our body language. It didn't require words.
Yes. Talking about those cricket days, my batting style and your batting style were both effective, but somewhat different.
Yeah.
And when I used to go to open the batting, you as the captain used to say, Bhattu, jane na paye.
Jane na paye was to you and to the people who we brought into the team, who had not played cricket.
Yeah.
As much as me and not even as much as you. उनके लिए word होता था, यार चिंता मत कर, लगे रहो.
हाँ. Yes.
Lage raho was one, and jane na paye was to those who could actually win a match. Lage raho was to say, I will try and win the match. Don't leave me at the other end. You just be there with me. Because we didn't get into each other's hair at any point of time. Yes. We knew each other's style. Yes. And we knew that the partnership will carry it through more beautifully than you play yourself.
And my recurring memory is that, when we were working on something, whichever campaign or whichever product or brand we were working on, we would struggle, and you would come up with ideas, and I'd say, Piyush, yaar, मुझे लगता है कि इसमें और कुछ थोड़ा होना चाहिए, इसमें थोड़ा. And then suddenly at midnight you would call me and say, Bhattu, using your famous BC, मैंने crack कर दिया है. I remember that amazing moment when after we had become, the three of us had become account supervisors, and we were kind of gathering a reputation for ourselves in the industry. And we used to get these job offers from various agencies and we used to be delighted. And once we had a call from this guy in Africa.
One after the other.
One after the other. First he called you, and then you put the phone down, then Lamba's phone rang, and then Lamba spoke. And then he said, "Ab tumhare paas bhi aayega," and then my phone rang and then I spoke. And it was such a magical.
But you're forgetting the main one.
Huh.
After all this happened, I think it was me or one of us, where before we disconnected, we said, "अच्छा ये ब्रांड लोगों से भी बात कर ले, फिर ₹1 बच जाएगा फोन का." What do you know about Bhattu's famous words of "so what"? To all our friends who will probably watch this later on, was a defiance to a system which did not give you any scope to fly.
I learned that phrase from Mani Iyer because every time I took anything to him, a presentation or something that I've written, he would say, "Good, but so what? What are you asking for? What are you telling the client that, And he once told me, he said, "Clients don't pay us for our opinions, they pay us for our recommendations." And do you remember the time when after we got promoted to account soup and our salaries were going to go up, the first 2-3 months, we saw that our salaries had actually not gone up.
I know.
And then we went and found out that Mr. Trivedi and Mr. Balsara were deducting money to give us shares of the company.
I know. And then we had to be explained as to why that is good for you.
Yes. Yes. What is the source of that kind of confidence?
I think, but you can share that from your side. My thing is our upbringing. Our upbringing which says, if you do it right, like my mother used to say a beautiful thing. I think this is something I should share with everyone. And the thing was, which she told me, कि शब्दों का चयन ऐसे करो, choose your words such. शब्दों का चयन ऐसे करो कि बात में कटुता भी ना आए. There is no bitterness. मगर शब्दों का वजन कम ना हो.
Beautiful.
The weight in your what you want to say should never. So I think the confidence came from there that we had thought of things and we were not scared of expressing them. It's not that we went in without our homeworks.
Yes.
Some people did homeworks by paper and pen.
Yeah.
I did my homework in my head. You did your homework your way.
Yeah.
That gives you the confidence कि मैं तैयार हूँ. मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ कि वहाँ पहुँचा और मुझे आता ही नहीं है.
Yes.
मैं जो आता है वो बोलूँगा जरूर.
Yes. In my case, that habit was instilled in me very young when I went to music class. And, in Indian music, there is the concept of riyaz.
Right.
And so my Guruji said, आप रियाज करोगे तो wherever you go, कभी भी आपको बुलाएंगे स्टेज पे कि भजन है आप बजाओ या ये है आप बजा सकोगे. You will be able to play. And that's because you have put in the time getting the fundamentals right.
Right.
And if you have those fundamentals right, then you can pretty much go into any situation and say, bring it on.
Correct. Absolutely. Blessing is कि अभी तो शॉर्ट्स चालू हैं, लगे रहो और 100 जाने ना पाए.
Yes.
And well played on a bloody treacherous wicket with grit, determination, and the support of your wife. Keep going strong.
Thank you. Thank you so much.